Okay, still your data is safe. Then fourth one, some remotely backup services will continue backup files. Okay, so some remote backup services will continue backup files as they change. So they are also backed up, like even if they are changed, they are continuously backed up. Then most remote backup services will maintain lists of versions of your file. So they are also going to maintain versions of your file. That when did you change that file? What is the new changes? Things like that. Then next point is available with an internet connection. Okay, now the disadvantages. Now we are coming to the other things, the bad things. Available with internet connection. If you don't have internet, you cannot access your information. That's the big problem. Then proper handling of user ID and password means the one who is using the one who's using the remote backup, he should have a good information about user ID, password. If it is easy, somebody might hack it. Or if he forgets his user ID and password, then too he can face a problem. He cannot access his files. Okay, you have to be careful in that. Then privacy and security of data is a concern. Okay, yeah, again, possibility of data could be stolen or viewed by unauthorized people. So if this data gets like in the hands of unauthorized people, like people who are not related to you, they can steal your information. They can hack your information. They can like do anything with you. It's dangerous. Then more expensive other than other local storage methods. It can be more expensive, guys, because remote backup, a certain limit is free, but after that they charge annual membership or things like that. Okay, so it can be expensive. So next one, can take long time to store backup depending on the speed of the internet. Yeah, it depends on the speed of the internet. As if you have a less speed, then it will take more time. Okay, and now we are here, types of remote backup. Now there is a file transfer protocol, FTP. There is online backup and there is cloud backup. Three things. Now let's go to the next. Okay, so the next thing, you have file transfer protocol. What is file transfer protocol? FTP. If somebody asks you what is FTP, it is file transfer protocol. FTP is a network standard that is used to transfer files from one computer to another by internet connection. This type of remote backup is maintained on an FTP server. So this type of information is maintained on FTP server using file transfer protocol. Then you have online backup. What is online backup? These are backups that are ongoing or done continuously or frequently to a storage medium that is always connected to the source being backed up. Typically, the storage medium is located off-site and connected to the backup source via network or internet connection. See, now, for example, you have some information and continuously it is getting backed up, means daily or weekly. This type of backup is known as online backup. Okay, guys, do you understand this? Are you getting the point, guys?
We
Then
do,
you have
doctor. Yes.
that's easy, guys. This all information about remote backup. Just think that all the how you save your information on the internet. That's it. Okay, that is the main important thing. Via network. Okay. Now the next one is cloud backup, and you must be knowing what is cloud backup. Cloud backup is refers to the backing up of data to a remote storage cloud-based server. Here it is a cloud-based server. The cloud-based server is accessible via internet connection. This strategy involves backing up data over the internet to an off-site server hosted by third-party service provider. Now, Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. These are the three types of cloud backup services which are very common nowadays. Okay, and most of the people they know how to use. Do you guys know how to use Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive? You must be using, I think, many of you.
I've used a few of these before. Yes.
Okay, nice, good. Now, you just see here, guys. Actually, this session is too short, guys. Let me tell you, it's just maybe our session for today is too small. And if you will be joining our session for today is too small. And if you will be joining our session for tomorrow, be finishing very soon. Okay. And guys, what about next week? Next week, can we take a quiz if you are ready for that? Chapter two.
أنا دكتور I don't mind that.
Okay. Yeah, I think the quiz will be good next week. Next week, sometime like, what do you think? Today is a good day, Wednesday or Tuesday? I think Tuesday is good. Let's finish it on Tuesday. Okay. Tuesday,
Yeah.
you have. I'll message you. I'll message you in the group. Don't. It will be like the last time quiz. All activities. Don't worry. Chapter two, all activities.
Okay,
And
no
in chapter
problem.
two, there are very few activities, guys. You must have seen very few. Okay, Google Drive. Now, about Google Drive, you know these are the steps you should follow to access Google Drive. Login into the account. You know all that, guys. Log into the account from Gmail. You can do that. Then access Google Drive, Google Drive dashboard. You can create a new document. You can title, save it, upload a file, share document. These things actually they are telling you how to use Google Drive. Okay, I think most of you know how to use Google Drive. Do you know that, guys? Anybody who doesn't know how to use Google Drive?
I use it a lot.
Okay, most of you, I think you know, guys. Mashallah. Okay, then you have advantages of clouds backup. You can think about this, what are the advantages, and you can have a lot of ideas about this. Don't worry, something like a subjective topic. You can just think about that. Now, I think there is one or two more pages. Yeah, now this one. Backing up of your data over internet to an offsite server hosted by a third party provider. What is that? What is the answer, guys? Can anybody tell me? That's a cloud backup. Okay, this cloud backup. Okay, then you have Dropbox. Okay, has anybody used Dropbox? Dropbox company offers file hosting service that creates a folder. Dropbox basic count is 2 GB free space. Then you have, okay, in the same way you have iCloud, in the same way you have the Google Drive, the same way you have Dropbox. Okay, the difference is like the screen may be some different, the way and the memory size, and they are different companies by the way. So each one of them are offering different things to their customers. Okay, then you have OneDrive. OneDrive is an online storage provided by Microsoft that allows you to store files in the cloud and access them, share them anytime, anywhere on your PC, tablet, or phone. Then you have OneDrive is pre-installed Windows 10 and it works on Mac, Android, and OS. Okay, this is OneDrive from Microsoft. You must be knowing about that also. Okay, good. Uh, okay, in OneDrive, do you know how to upload a file? Here, guys, this one. This one, OneDrive setup, uploading a file, access your OneDrive account, creating a new file or folder, uploading files and folders, menu options, or sharing. These are the common things which one can do in OneDrive. Okay. Now you can discuss the difference between local backup and remote backup. There's a lot of difference. You know, local backup is what which you are saving the things and with you, like flash, CD, hard disk, okay, or in your PC somewhere. At the same time, remote backup is some you're saving the information on a website, on a server. Okay, are you understanding, guys? You're another location like iCloud or a cloud server. So that is the remote. And local, you know what is the devices with you. Okay, guys. So did you understand this? Now I think we are almost complete now. Okay, yes. This one, guys, have a look. So we have learned this much things today. Advantages, disadvantages of types of backup. Okay. Then you have different cloud storage services. The services we learned about the cloud storage, about the Google Drive, about the iCloud, iDrive. Okay. OneDrive, and then you have Dropbox. Yes, three things. And then you have key terms to remember. These are some key terms already given in your book, guys. You can have a look at FTP, file transfer protocol. What is cloud backup? What is cloud server? What is Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, online backup, offline backup, offsite backup, remote backup. Okay, guys, these are the key terms you should remember. Okay, very important for you. Okay, and here you have the last page 145. And guys, in today's activities, you don't have any theory activity. You just have the practical activities. Have you seen them?
Which practical activities?
Actually, just have a look at page 145. You just have to do certain things like make an account in OneDrive and save a file, or make an account in Google Drive and do this. Actually, they want you to have a hands-on practice on the remote backup, like the cloud servers. Like you should know how to use OneDrive, you should know how to use Dropbox, you should know how to use Google Drive. That's it. So if you know that, it's okay. Otherwise, you just have a look at the activities and you can try them. Okay, guys?
Okay, doctor.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So did you have any problem in today's session? Today's session was too short, let me tell you, because it's just like explaining you what is remote backup. Okay? It's just telling you how the files are being saved on in another place. So did you understand this, guys?
Yes, and sir, I have one question, Doctor.
Yeah, please ask.
Yeah, and page 145, do we have like to send a recording of us making an account?
No, nothing. Just practice on your own. You don't have to send me anything. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now before we leave, guys, let me just take your names. Abdul Aziz Awad, Abdul Mohsin Malafiq, Abdul Rahman Wadani, Abdul Rahman Salama, Ahmad Imad, Al Wali Utaibi, Badr Utaibi, Imad Saleh, Faisal Ulian, Faris Mukhrish, Hassan Saeed, Hazim, Khalid Hassan, Khalid Muzairi, Khalid Al Fujuhi, Fatab, La Sulaim, Muhammad Abdullah Al Laythi, Muhammad Saad, Musa Al Hichi, Saad Al Dosri, Saad, Saeed Muhammad, and Saud Hazazi. Have you heard your names, guys?
Yes, I heard.
Okay, nice. If you heard your names, that's good. Now, guys, on the next week, you have to be ready for the quiz. Okay? So be ready for the quiz next week on Tuesday. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Okay.
Tuesday there'll be quiz, and most probably Tuesday we will not take a class. We will just take a quiz. Is it fine? Because with the quiz, I think the class gets difficult. Is it fine, guys?
It's fine. It's fine. Yes.
Okay, guys. So any problems, guys, in today's lesson?
It was quite simple. Thank you, sir.
It was easy, guys, I think. Okay, guys, then you can leave. See you, inshallah. You have a long weekend also, I think, on Sunday and Monday. You have an off?
No, we
Yes,
have no.
on Sunday and Monday. Thank you, doctor.